everyone, we're going to find the derivative of y equals inverse hyperbolic cotan of secant of x. We're going to use this formula for cotan given here, and this would be like your x part. Let me put this in red. This is like your x. All right, so we can go ahead and use our formula. Y prime equals, we have 1 divided by 1 minus our x squared. Our x happens to be secant, so secant x squared. And then we have to differentiate with respect to x, our secant of x. So when you simplify this, we get y prime equals 1 divided by 1 minus secant squared of x. All right, and then we have derivative of secant is going to be secant x times tan x. So let's write that secant x times tan x. All right, now we're going to simplify as much as possible and see where we can come up with this. So our numerator, let's write that the same, secant x times tan x. Our denominator, let's rewrite our secant squared as tan squared of x plus 1. Now this is going to simplify to secant x tan x, and this negative tan x squared in the denominator, and the ones will cancel out. You have 1 minus 1. So these will just cancel out there, and you have this negative tan squared of x. All right. Now let's go ahead and rewrite this. We have this tan x will go into tan x squared. So we're going to get this equals negative secant of x divided by tan of x. Now in the next slide, all I'm going to do is to rewrite this in terms of sine and cosine and see if I can simplify it further. So my y prime would equal negative 1 divided by cosine of x. That was for our secant. And then we had tan in the denominator, which is secant sine of x divided by cosine of x. So what happens is these two cancel, and we're left with negative 1 divided by sine of x. And you can even write this as negative cosecant of x. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.